Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to disable multiple response on Google Form. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in google.com. Now I'll go to this apps over the top right and go to forms. You can see here I am in Google Forms. These are some of my recent forms which I recently created. I'll click on one of these and over here you can see this is my form. Now to disable multiple response, what I'll do is I'll go to response and over here you can see limit to one response. I'll check this on. You can see here limit to one response. As this is checked on, one response per Gmail ID is only applicable to this form. In this way we can restrict multiple response on our Google form. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.